Hello, I'm Scott Bledsoe. In this tutorial, I'll walk through the steps of using a discussion resource for a classroom, workshop, or for personal development, and I'll use Dr. Kim Deneu's video as an example. To begin, you'll need the DME Google Drive folder titled DME Discussion Resources, the 4A Learning Sequence, and the Microaggressions video featuring Dr. Kim Deneu. When you open the DME folder, you'll find a resource sheet for each of the 14 diversity topics, which you can explore on your own. For now, we'll select Microaggressions. When you open the document, you'll see a link to the 4A Learning Sequence, which you can view at any time, and a definition of microaggressions. Scroll down to the discussion resource for Dr. Deneu and get familiar with the activity and with Dr. Deneu's video. When ready, show the video on microaggressions in your class or workshop. Next, begin the 4A learning sequence using the Microaggressions discussion resource as your guide. The 4A sequence starts with Anchor, in which the learner accesses their own prior knowledge or experience with the topic at hand. For this activity, participants will work in pairs or small groups. Ask them to review the definition of microaggressions at the top of the page, and then share a time when they had either witnessed or experienced firsthand a microaggression. Next, you'll add a task that allows the learner to hear, see, or experience an important new piece of content. As before, follow the guidelines on the resource worksheet. The next exercise is Apply, in which participants directly apply their knowledge of the material at hand. Away is the last of the 4A exercises, and upon completion, you can expand on learning about diversity by presenting additional DME themes and videos and their successive resources, either in class or as pre-class viewing assignments. I hope this instructional video has helped you to plan and implement a discussion resource for the Diversity Mosaic experience.